joined and you watched the summit, right?
That's right.
We have the summit that is going on right now, and you watched the summit. And what were your takeaways from the summit?
I actually like the summit because you really broke everything down, how to get the store open and started, and that was the part that I was actually stuck in. You know, I had did a lot of research, I Googled a lot of stuff, watched a lot of YouTube videos, and there was nothing out there that actually showed me step by step how to do it. So I want to thank you, for having that summit, because that's the reason why I actually got started. And then I got my store open. Actually, less than 60 days, I hit $10,000 in sales. I can't even believe it.
So I'm going to share her sales screen, as she said. So this is your sale. This is from your store. You screenshot it, right?
It's from my store, yes.
So it says here that year to date. So you actually started in September for real. You can see from the graph right here. And she went up, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. From September to December. She has not taken the class, y'all.
No.
She only followed